So hi guys, welcome to this tutorial once again. So in this particular section, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a landing page for your lead generation. Remember, I told you that we are going to learn how to generate lead and also how to generate sales. So now in this particular session, we'll be learning how to design our landing page and the difference between landing page and sales page. So I'm going to be teaching you how to design a landing page for you to use it and create or rake your lead online, right? So see you guys in the other side of success. So hi guys, welcome to my tutorial once again. My name is Kevin Chimaya, the CEO of Bista Technology. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a landing page for lead magnet. So first of all, what is a landing page? A landing page is just a simple web page in which you can direct people from external platform so that when they land on the page will help and direct them on the action to take, whether you want the people from external platform to make a purchase, or maybe you want them to join your group or register on your website. Do you understand? So the page will be there guiding them when you are not there. So that is the work of landing page. Now majorly we have two main types of landing page. One is lead magnet page, that is lead generation page, or sales page. You understand? So is either majorly the landing page should be for lead generation or for sales magnet. Now if you are designing for sales, if you are designing a sales page, you actually you're actually designing it so that you can use the page to rake sales online. Do you understand? Then if you are designing a page for lead magnet, you're actually designing it so you can use it and generate lead from any platform you are running the ad from. Hope you are getting what I'm saying. So now this is the continuation of our digital marketing course, and in this particular section we'll be talking about how to create landing page for lead magnet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the system where I'll be showing you how to create this landing page for lead magnets. Remember, if you already learned how to create landing page for lead magnets, you also know how to create landing page for other digital products. You understand? So let's dive into the system where I'll be taking you through on how you can build a web landing page. Now remember, this is our WordPress website in which we installed in our last tutorial. So now remember, our URL is bistatech.com/landing page. Now let's log into our admin and see how we can actually turn this ugly page to a beautiful landing page with just a click of drag and drop. So now if you come here, you say, if you come to this your URL here, you say slash, that is, if you come to this your domain here, you say /wp-admin. Look at it, /wp-admin. So this is how to locate your admin backend. So you click on enter. So once you click on enter, it's going to bring you to this interface where you will put your username and password. So now me putting my username, this logging in. So I've automatically logged in to my admin dashboard. Let me just open this site in a new tab. So this is how our page looks like. Then when we are done, we are going to turn this to a beautiful page. Now let's go back to our admin. First of all, anytime you create or you install WordPress, there are some settings you need to do. You come here, you go to settings. sorry, you come here, you go to settings. For example, you go to settings, you go to general settings. So here you change this my blog to your website name, so I can say Bstar. As you can see, if you come here now, you can see this thing here is showing you my blog, my WordPress blog. Do you understand? So you change this to Bstar. Let me just use capital letter. Bstar landing Bstar landing page. So in this tagline, you just put keywords. I can say Bstar, comma, landing page, comma. So I can also say copy this and put it again, Bstar landing page. So this is very simple and easy. Now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to leave other things the same way they are, then we'll save this. So if I save this, now another setting that I need to do is, if you come here, you come to palm link structure. So this palm link, you leave it at a post name. So just leave it at post name. So this post name, if you click on this post name, you click on save changes. So now the next thing we are going to do is let's start building our website. Now for us to start building our website, we have to install a plugin. You understand? So we have to install a plugin. That plugin will help us and build this website. So now for you to install your plugin, you come here, you hover on this, look at the plugin section. You hover on this plugin section, you click on add new plugin. So you click on add new plugin. First of all, you install this classic editor. Let me reload it so you will see. So first of all, you install this classic editor. So this classic editor is very necessary. So you click on install now. So that is only free plugin we are going to use. The rest will be uploaded from our system. So now don't worry, by the end of this tutorial I'll tell you how you get all these plugins. Now you click on upload plugin, click on choose file, then you locate where you saved your plugin. You understand? So you click. So now I've located where I saved my own Thrive builder. So this Thrive visual editor is the plugin that we are going to use. This Thrive builder, Thrive visual editor, and this is the license key. So once you get your own, if you download it, then from here you locate where you saved it. Then I select this Thrive visual builder, I click on open. So once I click on open, I click on install now. So I will allow it to install. Awesome, my own has automatically installed. So just know that in your own case, it might actually take a lot of time to upload depending on the strength of your network. Now from here we click on go to plugin installer. So if you go back to plugin installer, you click on upload again. So now we have to upload the second one, which is the Thrive builder license key. So you click on upload file, choose file, you click on this license, Thrive license activator. So if you click on it, you click on upload. Now you click on install now. Awesome, this one went very fast. So now from here we click on, we hover on this plugin icon, we select installed plugins. So now these are the installed plugins that we have. Now we have classic editor, we have classic editor, we have Thrive architect, we have Thrive license key. So I'm just going to select the 3, 1, 2. There's my classic editor 3. Then from here, if I scroll up, I click on bulk action, click on activate. So we have to activate all of them. So if you click on activate, click on apply. So all of them are actually going to activate. Awesome. Can you see that? It has activated. Now from here, now the next thing we are going to do is let's start building our web pages. Now the next thing is if you hover on this your page icon here, you click on, let's say, all pages. Now by default you're actually going to see these 3 pages here. You can go ahead and delete all of them because you are not going to be, so if I select all of them, you are not going to be using it. So if I select all of them, I click on bulk action, I select move to trash, I click on apply. That is if you want to delete. If you don't want to, just leave it. Now the next thing we are going to do is click on add new page. So awesome. If you click on add new page, let's give that page a name like lead, because we want to generate lead. So when we call it lead, then the next thing we are going to do is to click on publish. So if you click on publish, you have actually published the page. Then the next thing you are going to do is you click on launch with Thrive Architect. So this Thrive Architect is what you are going to use to build the page. So you click on launch with Thrive Architect. So if you click on launch with Thrive Architect, it's going to bring you to this page. Now as you can see, here is showing you normal page and here is showing you pre-built landing page. Now this normal page is if you want to build the page from scratch. So you're not a professional, no need of going through the stress. So while you already have a pre-made template that you can just choose and edit it to your own taste. So let's go with pre-built landing page. So you click here, you're actually going to see many landing pages. You're going to see many templates here, many beautiful templates. A whole lot of them are here. More than 200 landing pages are here. So you just go through any one you want and choose. Let me see if I can select the one I want. Okay, I usually go with this one. So let's just, because this is very simple, that is the reason why I like going with it. So let me just click here. So if I click here, the next thing I'm going to do, I will select, because this one is 5 in 1. So I'm actually going to select one. So I'm going with this first one. So I click on apply template. Awesome. So once I click on apply template, it's actually going to load this template for me. You understand? It's actually going to load this template for me. Now the next thing we are going to do is that this has already been designed for us. So our own case now is just to design it to our own taste. You understand? So first of all, this option here that popped up, what I'm gonna do is to click on got it. So it's actually gonna disappear. Then the next thing is, let me show you how you can actually redesign this page to your taste. Now if you come here, you're actually going to see this logo. So if you want to add your logo, you're actually going to add your logo. But as for me, this is landing page, so there's no need of adding logo here. So I'm actually going to delete this. So once I delete it, it's actually going to be empty. Awesome. So as it is now, is okay for me. Now the next thing is, okay, look at what they wrote here. The last traffic generation strategy you will ever need. So we're actually going to recompose this right up here, then maybe add video here, or maybe change this video to image. Do you understand? So let me just show you. Remember, WordPress is a content management system, so you don't need coding. you're actually going to do drag and drop. So I'm actually going to show you how you can drag image and put or drag anything that you want to drag to this page. So now what I'm going to do is, if I come here, I click here, click on got it. Any option you see, just click on got it. So if I click on here now, I'm actually going to do as if I want to delete this. Then I'll say I'll start with my capital letter, which is are you struggling let me just come here, let me use this color here. So I will come here and say, are you struggling to make sales online as a digital marketer? Then I say, worry no more. So I will come here and say, worry no more. Worry no more. I have recorded a video that will show you how to succeed online as a digital marketer, even if you are a new even if you are a newbie, even if you are a newbie. Awesome. So let me just delete the ones we had here before. Awesome. Are you struggling to make sales online as a digital marketer? Worry no more. I've recorded a video that will show you how to succeed online as a digital marketer, even if you are a newbie. This is spelling of newbie. Now the next thing I'm going to do is, if I have a video, I can add a YouTube video here. How can I add a YouTube video? If I want to add any YouTube video, it's very simple. If I just click on this video here, you're actually going to see this. So let me see if I can go rush to my channel and pick up maybe one video.
Hello everyone.
So this is my channel here. Let me see if I can just pick one video here, and okay, let me just use this my CSS video as an example. So if I click here, I click on share, I copy the link. So this is the link. So if I copy this link, if I come back here and replace that link with this one, let me show you. If I select this, I delete, then I come here and put my YouTube link. So if I click on save work, it's actually going to show my CSS crash course. Do you understand? So this is actually how to add a YouTube link, a YouTube video to your landing page. But as for me, I don't think if I want to use video, because I don't have any video now that I want to use. So let me just delete this. Okay, first of all, let me click on, I want to add picture here. So how do I add this picture? I come here and click on this plus sign. Then this image, I'm going to drag this image. So if I drag this image, I can actually put it here on top of this. I can actually come here and put it below this text. I can actually come here and put it above this text. I can actually come here and put it, but I want to put it above this video. So if I click here, the image is gonna load this. Let me show you something. If you cancel this, if I click here, this is how it's going to look like. So I can click on insert image, then go to my file and upload the image I want to upload. Upload files, select file. So this is the image I want to upload. So I select this image, I open it. So now this has actually loaded. Then the next thing you are going to do is you select this image, you click on insert into post. Awesome. This is actually a review one of my students gave to me. And what this guy is actually telling me here is how my Facebook course has actually changed his life, that he's now capable of generating 300 leads, spending only 10,000 naira. So that is the only thing I have here. Then the next thing is, let me just delete this video. We don't want to use video here. So now the next thing here is this button. Do you understand? So this button is where we can actually edit this button. First of all, we can say, we can give it a name such as, let me just delete. You can give it a name such as click to get access. Now this click to get access is where they're actually going to click in order to get access, or to chat us on WhatsApp, or to join our Telegram group, or to even join our WhatsApp group. Anywhere we want them to go, this is actually where I want them to click, because this is for lead. We are trying to generate lead from Facebook and send it to our WhatsApp. Now this place said, note this offer is only available for a very limited time. Get your copy today to ensure that you don't miss out. So this is actually good, and let me just delete this. I don't need this one. So we actually need this one. Now the next thing that we need to do is, let's put our link here. Now for us to put our link here, you go to a website called create.wa.link. So if you come here, look at it, create.wa.link. So if you come here, this is where you are going to create our WhatsApp link. So this one said get a free WhatsApp link. So if you click here, so it's actually going to ask you to put your WhatsApp link, your WhatsApp phone number. So as for me, I'll just type in my own, which is 080 plus 23480 800 10472. So if I just enter this number, then this is where I'm going to create the message. So I'll say Hello, my name is Kelvin. Okay, I'll say my name is dash 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 dash. I need access to the Facebook. I need access to the Facebook course. Sorry. I need access to the Facebook course. So this is how I'm going to do it. Then the next thing is I click on generate my wire link. So the main reason why I'm doing it this way is that when somebody click on the link is going to say, hello, my name is, so the person will be able to enter his name. I need access to the Facebook course. So I have a lot of courses that I'm selling, but with the help of this, I'll actually know that the person wants me to sell Facebook course to him. Right now, after clicking on generate link, is actually going to generate this link for us. So for us to get our link, you click on copy link. You can actually use this QR code. If you want to upload the QR code, you can actually download or screenshot it. So you can download the QR code from here. So we have copied the link. Then the next thing is we come back to our page. So we click on this. Once we click on this, you come here that we have our button link. This is our button link. So you remove this hash and paste our wire link. So if you do this, you click on save. So if you click on save, also if you click on save, you are saved. So now let's see if this our website, let's open this our website in a new tab and see if what we designed has actually worked. So I come here, let me just remove this link. I paste bistartech.com/landing page/lead, right? So I click on enter. Let's see if our page is actually going to load. Awesome, this is sweet. Now for example, if I click on this get access, is automatically going to take us to WhatsApp. You understand? So it's automatically going to take us to WhatsApp. You understand? So this is my WhatsApp here, and as you can see, hello, my name is, I need access to the Facebook course. So I can click on continue chat to chat myself on WhatsApp. So these are actually how to build a lead generation page. This is a very simple lead generation page. In your own case, you can add as many as testimonials that you want. As you can see, this image is testimonial. You understand? This image is a testimonial image, just like image to prove that your course is actually working and the benefit of and what your student has benefited from the course. So as for you, you can add up to 5 to 10 testimonials, but as for me, this one is okay because it's just for tutorial purposes. So thank you guys for participating in this tutorial. I remain my humble self, Kevin Chimaya, the CEO of Bista Technology, and I'm also the CEO of Bista Graphics and Print. Now, thank you once again. See you in my next video where I'll be teaching you how to create a sales page, a landing page for sales page. So thank you guys. See you in my next class.